Top Dabus Invulnerability Attraction, a cultural tradition of Aceh. Top Dabus is a cultural performance originating from Aceh, a province in Indonesia known for its rich traditions and customs. This attraction showcases the participants' ability to endure pain or injury, making it seem as though they are immune to sharp objects. Demonstrating their bravery and physical endurance in facing sharp objects. This attraction is usually held during major events, such as national anniversaries or other significant celebrations. It is not merely entertainment but a symbol of bravery, resilience, and deep faith within the Achenese tradition. Top Dabus often captivates audiences from both local and distant regions due to its unique and mystical elements. The origins of Top Dabus. Top Dabus has a long historical root in Achenese culture. The term Dabus is believed to be derived from an Arabic word meaning painful, as the attraction shows the physical endurance of individuals against pain. This tradition is thought to have been brought to Indonesia by Islamic missionaries from the Middle East, who introduced spiritual teachings and values of bravery. Over time, the performance evolved to not only symbolize spiritual beliefs but also became an integral part of local culture, passed down through generations. Top Dabus reflects both physical and spiritual strength, affirming the cultural identity of the Achenese people. Participants who perform this attraction are believed to possess special abilities obtained through training and prayer, enabling them to withstand stabs or strikes from sharp objects. Although extreme, this attraction remains one of Aceh's cultural treasures, preserved as a tribute to ancestral traditions. The Top Dabus attraction illustrates the richness and diversity of Indonesian culture, especially in Aceh, which upholds values of courage, spirituality, and strength.